Congratulations again.
Thank you so much.
To get 86 and to get
Yeah.
19 in speaking.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, you are a little bit tensed for the last couple of days because you sat for the exam probably 4 days earlier or 5 days earlier.
Yeah. 4 days earlier, I think. Yeah.
Usually you used to get the score within 2 days or 1 day, but this time it took more than 4 or 5
Oh,
days.
5 days earlier. Like I did the test on Thursday,
Thursday.
and the results came back today in the morning. So it's more than 5 days. On the 6th day, I got the results.
Oh, okay. So for the last couple of days, you are very tensed. Am I right?
Yeah, I was really tensed.
Okay.
You know, all the journey I went through.
I know the reason behind what was the exact tension you had. But tell me something about the journey, how you felt, how was it, so that others can be inspired.
Yeah. So when I started to give the PTE, when I decided, I just searched on the internet, and I asked many of my friends who were giving the PTE examination, and they suggested me that it was really nice. So without looking for anything else, I just applied for, like, talk to you guys, and told you that I want 65 overall and 65 each. So at the start, it was not really like I was not really scared that I couldn't get 65. At the start, I was confident that at least I could get 65 at least. All the help from you guys with guidance and mock test and practices, it was really going good in the right direction. But when I gave the first examination and I couldn't get 65 in speaking, then my confidence started to get shattered. And I really didn't know the reason behind that, because in as you know, in the mock test, everything was fine. And I was really shocked to get that score, because I didn't understand that why it did like that. But
Yes. So we had a
yeah,
chat at the time and we thought
yeah,
that it might be a technical issue or something else that
yeah.
you
At the
didn't get
first
this.
time, you told me that it might be a technical issue or something like that. And I did the second time, and then I got the same results, even lesser score.
Yes, I can recall that you got probably 53 in speaking. Am I right at the time?
Yeah, at the first time I got 53, and second time I got 49.
Okay.
So I was really tensed. As you know, I talked to you, and you told me that there might be some other issue, because I know that cannot be possible. Like,
Yeah, sure. The
yeah,
way we have been communicating, the way you have done your mock test, the way you did your practices, I'm pretty sure that I was pretty sure that you might get more than 80 plus. But whenever you got
yeah,
below 50 or like below 60 for the first time, and you told me that Hafiz, it might be technical. I also found that there are many students earlier got lower
yeah,
score because of the technical issues and because of the noises or something problems. But whenever you got 49 in your second test,
yeah,
I was really shattered at the time, because whenever I
yeah.
was thinking something about that Pooja can easily get 65 plus, but you didn't. Then I asked you that I need more
Yeah,
time.
and it was like you spotted the right thing, and like it was the problem of pitch, and you just guided me, and I'm really really thankful to you that you just guided me. You, first of all, you spotted the right problem, and second, you guided me in the right direction, like making my pitch good, and using the voice tools. And you really helped me a lot. Even at the odd times, you just got the Zoom call with me, and you practiced with me, like you were there all the time, and you just guided me that lower your pitch like that. It might be funny and all that things, and I was really tense. You just helped ease my tense, and I was depressed, and you just told me that no, Pooja, you can do it. And I just lost my confidence in, like, can I get it now? Because 2 times I failed, but
Yeah.
then
Yeah,
Yeah, but it's all
it
good.
was funny enough because I know that one. Because you might ask Hafiz, if you knew all these things, why you didn't share this earlier? Because I didn't know that what are the exact
Yeah,
issues. Because
yeah,
whenever I am communicating with you right now via Zoom, it's very hard to understand about the pitch. But whenever
yeah,
I found the second times your speaking score is very low and you should not get that sort of a score, then I understood
yeah,
that I have to listen every single audio, whatever you practiced. Then I used my
yeah,
own mechanisms to actually check your pitch from there. And I found that all are more than 300, like
yeah.
hertz. So usually I found that, okay, it might be an issue. And then as we are running this branch, like this coaching for the last 8 years, we have found many students with that kind of issue, usually female
Yeah,
and
because
girls.
it will never come in my mind like such an issue can come up, but
Yeah.
it's because of you that I got through. Otherwise I would like try and try and try doing the same thing, and I might not pass the exam at all any day, I
No,
think.
no, no. You must, because as I told you from the day that we are here to help you. So it
Yeah,
is our responsibility. Why? Because PTE preparation, it's not about that you are getting a score. Definitely it is your target to get 65. But as an institution, from our part, we need to make students a score. Because if you don't
yeah,
get a score, then the trust cannot come. Then
yeah,
the credibility cannot come. So it is our part that whenever students are not getting a score, whenever students are not getting a score, we need to do a little bit research that what's the reason behind this. And
yeah,
then we have to come up with a solution. Oh, for this perhaps, for this perhaps. And I told you that it's not about that within one day you can change everything. But
yeah,
within a practices, you can be confident and you can control yourself the way you have to change the pitch. And you did
yeah,
that fantastic. And I saw the scorecard on Pearson mock test. And I think at that time you were confident a little bit that, okay, now it is working.
yeah. Yeah. And I want to mention one thing that even after like my subscription was over, I got 3 months subscription. Even after my subscription was over, you helped me with the Zoom meeting and mock test, giving me mock test for free and everything that, oh, I don't think any institution can give you that guidance after the subscription is over. Everybody wants money, but
Okay.
you even after my subscription was over, and I am really thankful for that.
Yeah, but you took 3 more months because I thought that you will be completing your full escrow within 2 months or 1 month, because the
Yeah,
way you started, I found you very much potential. But no
yeah,
worries, because as I found you very much potential and as you didn't take the exam earlier, but somehow
hmm,
your subscription is over. From business point of view, it is something that we shouldn't do, but we did. Why? Because I know you are very much potential. It is my
yeah,
obligation that I have to help you in any way. And when I
yeah,
found second time that your speaking score was lower than the first time, I was scared at the time, because you know that
yeah,
as a teacher, as a mentor, on top of that, as running the center, we need to focus more on student success, the way we are helping. So it was
yeah,
low, and I'll also scared. Then I had a chat with my admin and I arranged that Zoom session. I had a chat with for 1 hour of Zoom session. Then I feel
yeah,
relaxed that, okay, now we are going on the right track. Now we have to do in this way.
yeah.
So if you have any from that particular session, do you have any kind of experience that some people sounds you funny, but you made, like, you are living at home, I know. So
Yeah.
anyone actually say that, oh, why you are talking like that? Why you're speaking
Yeah,
like
so
that?
my whole family, like when I told everybody that Hafiz told me the issue is pitch, nobody could believe that, because nobody, even me, I was also skeptical that can it be the real issue, or is the issue something else? But then we trusted you, and we did like I did lot of practice to lower my pitch. And yes, everybody everybody used to laugh. Like my daughter always used to laugh, Mama, why are you speaking like that? It's very funny. But
So are your family members happy now?
yeah, they are really happy, and they also are really thankful to you. My mother-in-law and father-in-law, they are living with us, and yeah, they told me that uh, give you a lot of like blessings, that they give you a lot of blessings, like
Oh,
you spotted the
I'm
right
happy.
thing
I'm
and
happy.
I got the score.
Yes, I'm happy. I am happy that you not only you got the score, I'm happy the way you practice, the way you did hard work, it actually worked. And at the end of the day, I saw, you can see that your reading score boomed. You can see
Yeah,
that it is 88, sorry, probably, yes,
yeah.
it is
88
88
listening and
right now.
reading, 88.
Yes, because already you got very good score in your writing, but you can see that when you got good score in the speaking, automatically your reading
Yeah, all
score
the scores
and
jump up.
listening score actually boomed. So this is
Yeah,
something now, as Pooja, we are a training institute, but we are doing business. So in
yeah.
future, if anyone is coming to you that they need some kind of PT preparation support, would you like to recommend us?
Of course, I will definitely recommend you only, no one else.
Okay,
Like
okay.
PT center is really helped me a lot, and I don't think if I was not attached to you or your institute, then I would pass the exam, because the problem was not
The problem is not visible.
usual. It was a very unusual problem,
Yes.
and I don't think anybody can pick it up.
Okay, no worries, mate. It is not about the searching a good places through internet and we encountered, then you enroll, we helped you, and it is our responsibility. And I just fulfill my responsibility, and you have done your duties the way you practiced. I really appreciate the way you have worked with us. On top of that, the way you changed your pitch, the way you
Yeah,
actually trusted, and then you
yeah,
got the beautiful score, because 86, its equivalent is 8.5 in IELTS. So
yeah,
usually it's a very good score. No, 86 it's probably 8, 87 is 8.5, whatever, because you need
yeah,
only 65, that is 7 band score, and
yeah,
you have achieved more than that. And
yeah. Way more than that.
yes, way more than that. And your word of mouth is very important, because I will be happier.
Yes, I will definitely recommend all of.
Yes.
If anybody will ask me, I will definitely recommend you guys.
Yes. And second thing is the way Pooja searched PT, the same way other Poojas are waiting. That means
Yeah,
they definitely search on internet. So it will be
yeah,
really, I'll be really happy if you can put some comment on Facebook as a
yes,
review
definitely.
and Google as a review, so that it actually value and other people can trust us that, okay, we are not running some kind of boutique coaching. We are actually we are helping people the way they need,
Yeah,
so that we can,
individually, like
yes.
not just giving lectures and not just providing materials, but you did the individual research on something that something went wrong, and you just found it out, like what was the problem really.
Yes. So what I want to do, mate, in future, I want to make a case study on you. So I really appreciate if you can share your last 2 scorecards as a PDF. You can hide your credentials, your date of birth, all these things. Just
Yeah,
share the
I
last.
already did share with admin.
Yes. So you shared
Yeah.
the last 2, probably one scorecard I am not finding out, the first one or
Oh
the
yeah,
middle one. So just share
yeah,
the PDF, so that what I want to do, like the students like you who are very potential, but somehow they are not getting the score, I will make a
yes,
case study, and I'll also attach this, motivation video, because the way they will be listening to you, then they will be getting inspired and motivated. And then the end of the
yeah.
day, we are doing something better for others as well, the way we have done for you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And one more thing I want to add, that prediction file is really a good thing. A lot of questions are from prediction file. I gave exams for 3 times, and a lot of questions were from prediction file.
Oh, great. Because prediction
And
file is I always, some people are claiming, oh, I only depending on prediction file. Prediction file is a tool. At the
yeah,
end of the day, you have to go through, because it's a suggestions, so that you get some questions common, and it can help you to be confident and you can save some time. But many students, oh, thinking that, Hafiz, can I go through only the prediction file? You
yeah.
can't go only prediction file. It's
No,
very
I
hard.
did like I had a lot of time, so 3 months. So I almost practiced all of the questions. It's not
Oh,
just I just did the prediction file. I practiced all the questions, but definitely it was from
so I really appreciate the way you actually practiced the way you did
Yeah.
hard work, because you believe that if anyone actually follow our strategies and keep practicing, they must
Yeah.
get their desired score. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. If they do hard work, practice all the questions, and get the guidance, like guidance from you, and follow the guidance and trust you, then they can definitely score good. Not even pass the exam, they can score good.
Okay, thank you very much. Any last statement before signing out for today from Zoom?
PT is the place if you want to score good, and if you want to pass your exam, it can definitely help you do the thing. Like, it can definitely help you achieve your goal.
Oh, great, great, great. Thank you very much, Pooja, for your time. And I wish you all the best and
Thank
keep
you so
healthy
much.
and happy. And thank you very
Same to
much.
you. Same to
Thanks.
you. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your
Thank you.
support and guidance.